This was very controversial at the time because many people wanted to have closer relations with the Soviet Union, and the perception was that by using the term evil, we would be provoking the Soviet Union. Some of you may have seen the clip I showed from the television series The Americans, where the two characters who are KGB spies are shocked to see Reagan talking this way. Yes, within the Soviet ranks, there was a great deal of shock about Reagan. Now, how much did Reagan's policies have to do with the fall of the Soviet Union? Well, that's quite a debate. Some would argue that at most Reagan's policies were peripheral. The Soviet Union collapsed because of internal reasons. Others would say that the Soviet Union fell because Reagan gave them a push. You decide. You read the evidence. I'm sure this will come up in a lot of your courses in international relations. Important thing, again, is what he was using the speech for. This is a case of a presidential speech having multiple audiences. Obviously, his immediate audience was the National Association of Evangelicals. More broadly, it was religious people in the United States, evangelicals in general, whom he wanted to mobilize on behalf of his causes. But when the president speaks, the world listens. People all over the world knew that he had referred to the Soviet Union as an evil empire. This was of some concern in Moscow, to put it mildly. But word reached places like Warsaw, and there were people who took inspiration from these words. So for some people it was inspirational, for other people it was confrontational and alarmist.